my face. I've been through a lot. I've rode like 3 times. I think I closed my rings today. I definitely closed them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Delightful Tando and it's Vlogmas. I just knocked out of work and my scrubs. I'm gonna ride home. I'm gonna try and take some content even though it's hard to basically ride the bike and show some content. I actually came from home not too long ago, about 30 minutes, because I got my delivery of my new washing machine. I want to do an unboxing and show you. So thank you for joining. It's right. Time to go back home. Work feels like doesn't end. I'm back home now. Yo, excuse my face. I've been through a lot. I've rode like 3 times. I think I closed my rings today. I definitely closed them. So I'm back home, as you can tell by the horrible lighting. But I can't wait to unbox my machine. I'm about to do it now. My AirPod just dropped. But I can't wait to unbox my machine. I can't wait to do it now, even though I haven't changed out of my scrubs. But hey, I gotta do it. So this is my new baby that I need to unbox. So excited. I've been waiting for her. Yo, I'm tired of washing with my hands. So this is my machine. It's the Bennett Reed 7 kg washing machine. So I'm just gonna get a scissor real quick, cut it all up. I'm on the phone with my bestie. I would show her face, but hey, she's going through a lot. She's going through a lot, that person. Okay, let's get unboxing. Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna fit though in this case that is ideally where my machine is supposed to be. So I'm a bit nervous about that, whether it's gonna fit or not. So excited! If I could, I would rip this. Rip me out the plastic now, I'm acting brand new. Oh my gosh. Rip her out the plastic now, she acting brand new. Sorry, I've never owned a washing machine before, so I'm definitely gonna fangirl out. She's a, what I say, silver black or titanium black. Yeah, model. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared to rip her out the plastic. I need to name, do I need to name her? Yeah, because I usually name most of my things. I need to show my grandmother. I'm unboxing this without even showing my gran. She prays over everything, so yeah. She prays over everything, which I appreciate, because I mean, you can never have too much blessings, even for the littlest win in your life. You need to. You see it? Sorry, okay, I'll stop screaming. Oh, do you guys see? Are you guys seeing this? Do you see her? Oh my gosh, I love her. Okay, so I'm gonna continue unboxing her properly away from the vlog so I can focus and I don't scratch her and stuff. But this purr, cute. So I wanted to show this important part in the install. I'm not going to show the whole entire install because I fought. Anyway, removing the bolts so the machine doesn't cause like vibrations and stuff. Luckily, I have a bike. It came with this thing. Yo, if I didn't have a bike, it was going to be hard. Yeah, it's basically removing these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And then I'll show you once I've installed it. Okay, it decided not to focus, but just wiggle it about, then it comes out like this. The whole thing looks like this. The whole bolt, the transit bolt that you have to remove so your washing machine doesn't make noise. Okay, I need to put these in these holes. That's it.